I've given you uh, some questions in previous lecture, so I'll be discussing those questions here because they are basic builder. Nice, and please check if you're right and if you're wrong. So please correct yourself and just understand the concept. So in all of these, we have to just calculate the number of protons, number of neutrons, and number of electrons, right? So we have to calculate number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons. So the number of electrons is basically, first of all, number of protons is what I said. It is the atomic number of each atom present, right? So atom तो एक ही है यहाँ पर और उसका जो atomic number 26 है तो proton भी 26 हो जाएगा. Number of electron what is proton minus charge, ठीक है ना, charge with sign. So there is no charge, so it is 0. So basically the number of electrons is equals to number of protons for this. So it will also be 26, and the number of neutrons is basically mass number minus atomic number. So basically mass number is 56 minus actually 26, so basically 30. Okay, so 56 minus 26 is equals to 30, right? Similar of this we have to calculate proton. Okay, for easiness I want to tell first just calculate proton, then neutron, and then electron. It will be more easier for you. Now proton, there is charge. Now there is charge, right? So what I told, number of protons is never change, and whether it is atom, whether it is molecule, whether it is atom, doesn't matter at all. Okay, because in an ion, ठीक है ना, in an ion the charge is due to the transfer of electron, not proton. So protons remain same. Okay, so proton is basically the atomic number of each atom. So atom is only one, so atomic number is 20. Now electron, sorry, neutron is, so for easiness you have to just first calculate proton, then neutron, then electron. It will be more easier for all of you. Now we'll calculate neutron. Neutron is mass number minus z, ठीक है ना, माइनस नंबर माइनस 26, तो 40 minus 20 is equals to basically 20, right? Now number of electrons, basically what is proton 20 minus charge plus with sign, right? So basically it denotes the two electrons. So 20 minus 2 is basically plus minus minus, and 20 minus 2 is 18, right? And actually 18 because plus 2 means it donates 2 electrons. Okay, now for H2 molecules, proton is, we know 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, right? Proton for molecule is summation of atomic number of each atom present. So हमने 1 plus 1 कर दिया क्योंकि दो एटम प्रेजेंट थे. न्यूट्रॉन इज a minus z of each atom, right? So a minus z what? So atomic number is, in one H molecule the atomic number of mass number of H is 1 minus atomic number also 1 plus 1 minus 1, so basically it is 0, 0, yeah, 0. So in an hydrogen molecule or hydrogen atom, there is no neutron present. You have to नोट भी लिख लो आप ये चीज़, ठीक है ना, कि हाइड्रोजन में कोई भी न्यूट्रॉन प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. नाउ we just move to proton, sorry, electron. Electron is 2. Basically the number of electrons I have just told you to calculate is protons minus the charge. So total proton is, in one H molecule there is one proton, and दो atoms के में क्या होगा, दो protons होंगे, and minus charge, and charge is 0, so answer is 2, right? Similarly ns3 we calculate proton. So it is simply and it is a molecule. Okay, so in molecule we have proton is equals to summation of atomic number of each atom, ठीक है ना. So it is 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Now we'll calculate neutron. Neutron is basically summation, right? So it is 14 minus 7 plus 3, because there are 3 atoms, and a मतलब atomic number minus, sorry, mass number minus actually 1, mass number minus 1, it means proton. Z, it means atomic number, right? So it is 0. So basically it is 14 minus 7, it is 7. So there are 7 neutron presence. Now for this electron is, number of electrons are, we just calculate total electrons what it is, because it is molecule. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus charge is 0, so electrons are 10. Okay, so for OH minus we just calculate proton. It is ion and it doesn't matter for proton because the charge is due to transfer of electrons. Okay, so O, that is 16, sorry 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, right? Number of neutrons is this 16 minus 8 plus basically 0, right? So it is 8. And number of electrons is, number of total electron basically we can say 8 plus 1, 9, and minus, and there is minus 1 charge, we have to put with sign, so minus 1, basically 9 plus 1 is 10, right? So thank you very much and subscribe group cat.